Hey guys, today I'm back with my latest in my horoscope series, and today's nails are Sagittarius nails. So if you're a Sagittarius, I hope you like these. So according to the website that I've been using, the colours for Sagittarius are purple, plum and dark blue. So if you want I did these nails, keep watching. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger with August Plum from Moyu London. And then with my Moyu London Zodiac 11 plate and a purple stamping polish from Twinkle Tea, I stamped the little archer. And then I stamped it on my finger. With the same plate, same polish, I'm just stamping the Sagittarius sign. And then I'm just stamping that on my middle finger. And because I like the look of the stars, I went in and I added a few stars to both nails. Just gave it a little bit more of a pop and filled in the space. And I also forgot to record me stamping a few of the blue hollow stars. So here I am with that same purple stamping polish. I'm just applying it to my index and pinky fingers. You can use stamping polish as normal polish. And then same plate, I'm using Super Chic Lacquer in Throwing Shade. And it's a gorgeous hollow dark blue. I'm just stamping this sort of floral pattern. Or is it damask pattern? You tell me. And I just stamped that on my index and pinky fingers. Then I went in with a brush and did a little bit of cleanup. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Sagittarius nails. And I'm really happy with the way these came out. I've gotten into such a habit of using black and white polish to stamp, but I have so many different colour stamping polishes, so I had to give it a go. And when it said that purple was the challenge, I thought, let's try stamping some of the details in purple. And also, I forget how much, like these Super Chic Lacquer polishes, they stamp so well. Like, look at that blue, it's gorgeous. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe are good. And please feel free to check out the rest of my horoscope series. I'll leave links in the description box and in the cards. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!